Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back again with another video showing you all our favorite products. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so today's first product is this too cute sharpener. Now, you definitely get those boring sharpeners in the market, but this will make fun, it's playful, it's cute, and you will be, wanting more if you get one. I am sure about it. Now, there are different themes. This is dino themed, as you can see, and this is panda. I personally love panda. And these are sharpeners, very good. The quality of the sharpeners is also very good. And because it comes with the case, after sharpening, it stays inside the after thing. You don't have it, there's no chance of getting dirty. There's no, you don't, your hands, you don't have to use anything after that. Just later, if you want, you can just throw out the thing. Otherwise, you're sorted. Again, comes in different small characters. These two are just examples that I'm showing you. Whichever one you like, you can get it. Okay, moving on to our next product, we have these two cute pens. Now again, this is like a simple click system. Love it. Simple, elegant, yet with a little bit personalized and cute touch. The writing with this is very smooth. No need to worry on that. The pigmentation of the pen, very good quality. Comes in with this little teddies which you can put up and down. Very fun. Again, this is one specific color. You can get this in different colors. Okay, moving on to our next product is these two yummy fruits. Now, both of them are piggy banks, as you know already. I just will show you one, and the other you will already understand. So these are fruit themed. Now there are different options, different variety of piggy banks that we have. Now, what makes it different and unique is not only the shape and the size, but how cute and handy this is. So it comes in with a lock and key, as you can see. So your money is safe, and you just need to put your money, your notes and coins from here. It's good. Now these two are just the same but in different fruits, like a lemon and some watermelon, but we get it in different sizes and forms. So there are piggy banks which look completely different than this, not fruit themes, like something else. They're bigger in size. There are smaller piggy banks. Whichever one fits you, whichever one you want, you can go for it. Your money is safe. Just keep your key safe and you're sorted. Very cute. Please get it. Okay, moving on to our next product, we have this extremely dreamy cup and saucer set. As you can know, this is extremely Pinteresty. It's all over my Pinterest. I'm sure you guys have seen this. This is just a one pattern I'm showing, the cloud theme, because this is our best seller. So this gets sell very fast, so I'm showing you this. There are different options. Whichever one you like, you can choose. As you can see, I love the cloud theme. I love how cute it is. Your morning cup of tea or coffee is sorted with this. It's so aesthetic, so Pinteresty. Very fun to drink your coffee or tea from. Please, there are different options, as you know. Please don't worry on that. We are going to give you whichever one you like. Get these definitely. Okay, moving on to our next product is this. Now, this is a cute set of spoon and fork, as you can see. Very cute. These are for the kids. You don't have to put them separately, because otherwise, if you put it in, dump it in bag or something, there's a chance of them getting dirty. No worry on that. And there are also little charms which you get, so you can just attach it on the back of this. So very cute, very fun, something I'm sure you are going to love it, and your children are definitely going to love this. Okay, moving on to our next product. Now this, as I said, it comes in a set of two, so for both the spoon and the fork, comes in a set. All right, moving on to our next product is this. This is a squishy, as you can see, pencil bag. Now I love it. I love the color combination. I love this squishy thing, which is very playful, very fun. Now this has different compartments, so your life is sorted. The best pencil bags out there, personally, what I feel. There is one chain, and then there is this side. Again, there's another side. There's a little timetable written here. If you want to write your timetable, you can write. This is just one. We have innumerable options here, different, even different patterns of pencil bags. Very nice, very cute. I would want one, in my bag, like forever. This is something which kids love. Color combinations you're going to get. Please get it. Okay, moving on to our next product. Let me show you this. Now it's very hot. Please drink your water. This is your daily reminder to drink more water. And why not with Artsties tumblers? Because these are super cute, super aesthetic. I love this color. I love this ombre shade, with the yellow, with the green that is happening. And there's this zipper. You just need to open it from here, and the zipper comes out like this. And it is very handy. You get it with a cute handle, so there is no problem for you to carry it around. You can carry it for your work, for school, office, college, wherever you want to. Now it opens up like this, and as you can see, the material is steel inside, so your water stays cold as long as possible. Very nice, very fun. There are different options, there are different color combinations which we offer. This is just one option that I am just showing it to you, but we have different options. Please visit our store, go to our website, ask us. We're definitely going to give you different options, whichever one we have. And this is just color. We have plain color, we have prints on our tumblers. Whichever one you like, you can get it. Okay, moving on to our next product is this cutie. Now you need to pose right now because I'm going to click a picture of you. Okay, so this is a cute camera, kawaii camera, as you can see, and it comes in with this little standee, so there's no worry. You can just keep it somewhere and click your pictures. Now you just need to open it and you need to click your pictures. There's no, this is on. Now there's this video mode, and there is photo mode, so whichever one you like, you can just go for it. I personally love how it is so cute, and you can just flip the camera so that you can click your picture. And as you know that this comes in with a SD card, so you can take out the card and transfer it somewhere. This front the flip screen is for you to shoot it yourself, and the rest, so you can shoot it like this, and comes in with this cute standee which you can put and shoot your cute aesthetic videos. The kids love it. And also, as you can see, there will be a small attachable hanger, so you can hang it around your neck, so you can fit it if you want. Or if you want it like this, you can do this. You can open definitely. Okay, moving on to our next product. And also one more thing I would like to say, that this is just one color. We have different pattern cameras, and the colors also you will get, because this is, as you can see, a unicorn theme. So if you think you're not into pink or whites or unicorn, you can get it in different patterns and themes. Everything is available. All right, moving on to our last product for today is this night lamp. How cute is this? This is space themed. As you can see, there are planets, there's star, there's moon, so you can have fun with it. Then there's a cute little astronaut sitting on it, and there is, first of all, it's chargeable. It's with battery, and you can just put the switch on, and the thing goes on. As you can see, now the lights are on, so maybe it's not very visible, but the light is on. And now I'll just switch it off. Very pretty when you put it on with all the lights off in your room. It just gives a illusion, and I love it, how aesthetic, how cool this looks. Very fun product for your kids room. Maybe you can definitely give this to someone. This is just one pattern. We have different pattern of lamps, study lamps, night lamps. Whichever one you like, you can get it. Mostly all of them are chargeable. Some comes in with batteries, which you can definitely change. So yeah, I think I have covered more or less everything, and I hope that you like today's video, and please let me know which one was your favorite, and I think then we can come up with new videos and products which when know which are the products you guys are loving. So please let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.